I am amazed when I look at you. I see you smiling at me. It's like all my dreams come true. I am afraid if I lost you, girl, I'd fall through the cracks and lose my trust in this crazy lonely world. Sometimes it's so hard to believe when the nights can be so long, and faith gave me the strength and kept me holding on. You are the love of my life, and I'm so glad you are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me, I guess this is how it feels. If you find me found something weak, my angel, you are my love, the love of my life.
Now here